Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's part 2 of the fidgets from a friend. And yeah, let's see what's in here. I have no clue what this is called. But yeah, this thing looks amazing. So we got springs, balls, and another piece right here. So it's a top spinner. One sec, let me just, I'll leave this out. Leave all the other stuff in. It's a really good case. I think I'm gonna use this to store my fidgets. But yeah, alright, let's check out what this is. So this seems to be maybe I don't know, a stand maybe? I think so, yeah. Right there. I mean, you guys can't see it like that, but yeah. So it spins. Spins pretty good. And I wonder what else this thing does. Okay. That's pretty cool. So it spins. Don't know what this is called, but the brand name is Russia. I don't know how to say that. So yeah. Oh. That's pretty cool. Definitely interesting. I kind of like it. But again, I'm not really like a big bulky. Well, it's pretty cool. So, oh, so you see, so it's a spinner. Then it's like a mechanical, how do you say it? Slider inside. And then it's also a mechanical slider on the sides. Goes on there. That's where you get this. And then when you extend it, it's a spinner over here too. You just like, that's pretty cool. So it could be like a really big bulky desk fidget. Oh, and I believe those things light up. Isn't that like some kind of, one second guys, I'm trying to look up what these things are. These are tritium tubes, I believe. These things light up in the dark. I'm gonna add a video right here if later on I'll try it out, so I'll add it right now. But yeah, this thing's like, no, that will not work. I wonder what else this thing does. Maybe it's like a tool. I'll make a follow-up video on how to like open this up. I wonder what this is. Maybe this is a tool. But yeah, I have absolutely no clue how to open this thing. Because like, you're supposed to be able to put those things in there somehow. But yeah, I think I'll look up a video on this and see how to do it. If somebody else has done it, I'll do it too. But yeah, it's bulky. I'm not really like a big bulky fidget kind of guy, but this thing's interesting. Spinner, mechanical, another spinner, a stand. I think this would just look cool just on its own like that, you know. But yeah, love this thing. But yeah, I definitely will not be carrying this thing around. This thing is like a brick. So yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Check out our channel sponsors down below. And yeah, tomorrow will be another part of this, I believe. I'll see how I do this. I may include other fidget unboxings between these videos. So yeah, yeah. God, I gotta do more research on this thing, and then make a follow-up video on how to like open this up, how to properly use it. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, and yeah, see you guys.